Hi students, now we are going to look at another topic as objectives and the functions of cost accounting. The first objective is ascertainment of cost. This is the primary objective of cost accounting, the initial objective of cost accounting. Not only actual costs incurred or ascertained, but costs are also predetermined for various purposes. Here not only focus on actual costs, we take consideration into the predetermined costs also. For a cost ascertainment, various methods and techniques are employed under different situations. In the form of budgetary control, standard costing, marginal costing, and the inventory valuation. So many methods are used to ascertain the cost. Cost control and cost reduction. Cost accounting aims at improving profitability by controlling and reducing costs. Cost control and reduce the cost is for the purpose of improving profitability. For this purpose, various specialist techniques like standard costing, budgetary control, inventory control are used. To attain the cost control, we have used so many specialist techniques. It is becoming increasingly important in the present scenario because of growing competition in the business world. Such techniques are necessary to compete with another mode of business. Guide to business policy. Cost accounting aims at serving the needs of the management in conducting the business with the utmost efficiency. Cost accounting is the most essential factors for management to efficient performance. Cost data provides guidelines for various managerial decisions like making or buying, selling below cost, utilization of the idle plant capacity, introduction of a new product, etc. Cost accounting is useful for managerial decisions, how to buy the goods, how much we have to fix the sale price, and etc. Determination of a selling price. Cost accounting provides a cost information on the basis of which selling prices of products or services may be fixed. Cost accounting helps to fix the sales price and how much we have to produce to meet the customer needs. In periods of depreciation, cost account guides the firm in deciding the extent to which the selling prices may be reduced to meet the situation. Cost accounting guides in the calculation of depreciation. Thank you.